All right, let's jump right in. We've all seen videos online promising something incredible, right? Well, today we're digging into one of those. A claim of unlimited free internet, all from just one app. So, is this for real? Or is there a pretty big catch? Let's find out.
Okay, so here's our game plan. First, we're going to look at the big promise itself. Then, we'll get into the tech. And, you guessed it, the huge catch that comes with it. After that, I'll walk you through the step-by-step setup from the video. And we'll wrap up by looking at the test to see if it actually works.
So, let's start with the whole reason we're here. The video we're looking at today kicks off with this really bold idea. And it's aimed at, well, pretty much all of us. Anyone who's ever stared at their phone, watching that data counter get dangerously close to zero.
I mean, you know that feeling, right? That frustration when you run out of mobile data in the middle of something? Well, that exact problem is what this whole thing claims to fix, and not just for a little while, but forever. And here it is, the core claim in a nutshell. The video says there's a specific free VPN out there that can just completely bypass your mobile carrier's data restrictions. We're talking unlimited internet. I mean, that's not just a big promise, that's a total game changer if it's true.
Okay, but a claim that big, you gotta ask, right? How in the world does it even work? And maybe even more importantly, what's the catch? Because let's be real, there's almost always a catch.
So, the tech behind this is something called a VPN, a virtual private network. The video explains it pretty simply. It basically creates this private, secure tunnel for all your internet stuff. It hides what you're doing and where you are, so you're anonymous online. Pretty standard stuff for any VPN, really.
Aha! But here it is, the catch. Think of it like a balancing act. On one side, you've got this awesome promise of bypassing data limits. But on the other side, and this is a huge but, the video itself points out a serious warning. See, running a VPN isn't free. There are servers, maintenance, it all costs money. So how do free VPNs pay the bills? Well, a lot of them do it by selling your personal data.
And this is where things get really, really clear. The person who made the video just comes right out and says it. I can't actually assure anyone if a VPN is going to stick to what it claims. Wow. I mean, that's a super honest disclaimer, but it's also pretty concerning, right?
So let's just boil it down to the most crucial point. What we're looking at is a tool that, yes, seems to actually work for getting free internet. The video shows it works, but it comes with this giant flashing question mark hanging over your privacy. The function is there, but the safety, totally up in the air.
Okay, so now that we've got that huge warning out of the way, let's actually look at how you're supposed to get this thing working according to the video. And honestly, the steps are incredibly simple. You just pop open the Play Store, you search for CVPN, that's CVPN, go ahead and install it. Then, and this is important, turn on your mobile data before you open the app. And then you just open it and tap connect. That's literally it. Simple as ABC, as the video puts it. All right, now for the big question. Does it actually work? I mean, all that talk is great, but we need to see the proof. And the video tries to deliver exactly that with a little demonstration. The test setup is really straightforward. The creator is going to check their data balance, then turn on the VPN and use the internet for a bit, and then check the balance again. Simple, right? We're just looking to see if that number goes down at all. So here's where we start. Before anything happens, the data balance is sitting at 96.5 megabytes, okay? 96.5. Let's keep that number in mind. Okay, VPN is on, and the test begins. They fire up YouTube and start watching some videos, which, eats up a lot of data. So this is a good test to see not just if the connection works, but if it's using up any of that 96.5 megs. So after some YouTubing and browsing around, it's the moment of truth. Time to check that balance again. And would you look at that? It's exactly the same. Still 96.5 megabytes. Not a single bit used. So, the result from this test, it's pretty hard to argue with. It looks like the VPN did exactly what it promised. It gave them an internet connection without using up any of their mobile data. And that brings us to the big takeaway here. We've seen the incredible promise, we've looked at the tech, we've definitely heard the risks, and we saw the test. So, what do we make of all this? At the end of the day, the source material leaves us with one really powerful question. We have a tool that seems to actually work, but it comes with this huge flashing warning sign about your privacy. So the question for you is pretty simple. Is free internet really worth the potential price of your personal data?